doesn't work, you guys. What a waste of time and money. What's up, everyone? My name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today we finna be working on my piece of Tesla. We finna be fixing a dumbass problem that should have been taken care of when it came out of the factory. So you would think a $30,000 car wouldn't sound like it's going through a hurricane when you go highway speeds. Well, there's hella wind noise, bro. So I got this cheap, made in China seals that should probably fix the problem. Fingers crossed. So, not even my 40-year-old Jag has that problem, bruh. And I gotta take care of this on this car. So let's find out if this actually works. Let's get to it. This is the seal kit. You know what? Let's move out of it. Let's go to a different location. All right, we had to relocate because people over there were being too damn noisy. All right, so here's the sealant kit. It comes with all the seals that are required to reduce the wind noise. Check it out. Right front door. So they also have it labeled left front door. And they already cut, measured, ready to install. It has 3M tape in the back. So all we have to do is clean the surface, install the seal, and we should be good to go. Really? Somebody decided to die right now while I'm recording? Selfish. Selfish ass people, bruh. But yeah, they also come with instructions. Check them out. So there's no way for us to fuck this up. Guys, we fucked up. It's all in Chinese. Now I'm thinking, was it supposed to go here or here? All around here. I should quit.
You looked at the camera for answers.
So I was lying when I said everything was cut precisely. All right, let me see how it closes. Watch your step. All right, we're done with that. Let's move to the doors. I don't get the instructions, so we finna figure it out together. We're finna do the door now. All right, from the looks of the picture, we have to apply this seal. What the f? Chat. I'm confused. It's in the corner like that. It's only gonna last probably a week and then it's gonna fall off. And also when you're applying this, you don't want to stretch the material. You just want to apply it on the surface. And the reason is because if you try to stretch it, it's most likely gonna try and compress back to its original shape and pretty much will come loose. I just made all that up. There. Now let's work on the A pillar. Okay, so I'm supposed to fit it inside there. Let's just route it in there. B pillar seal. This one I'm thinking it will go like this. Yeah. Yeah, that looks about right, huh? Alright. Okay. Right here. So I'm finna go ahead and do the rest off camera on the other side, and then we'll do the trunk and we'll go on a test drive. So far, I feel confident about the seals reducing the noise, but I don't think it's gonna completely stop all that wind noise. I believe we need different seals that go right here on top of here. Shit, maybe the leftovers, I'll just stick it up there. We'll see what we end up doing. Let's take a real quick break from installing the door seals and let's talk about the luxury flaws of a Tesla, starting with the license plate. $30,000 and they couldn't properly mount the bracket correctly. They used 3M tape. It fell off. Bro, what the f? The first week I got it, the seat adjuster broke. The wheel cap, check it out. You see how the logo's peeling off? Can't even do that right. They should have put some aluminum caps instead of these plastic ones. Garbage. The paint, it could barely handle little pebbles. Look at this. That's already on the primer. Look at this right here. Look at that. Oh, that's a bug. Look at that. I guess this isn't Tesla's fault, but whoever tinted the window, bro, come on, do better. Looks like a garbage bag. I hate it. Well, I'm the smart ass that decided to purchase this Tesla, so I can only blame myself, right? I should have gotten myself a Toyota. All right, chat, I figured out where this console seal is supposed to go. Right here, on the windshield. Just go all the way up there. Let's see. That in there. I hate myself for really believing that those seals are gonna fix the problem. So instead of using the trunk seal for the trunk, I decided to put it in top of the door on the edge and see if that made a difference. Honestly, it didn't, bro. I still hear hella wind. This was a complete fail, a waste of time and money. Don't do this on your Tesla. Watch another guy, another YouTuber. I'm sorry, this was a complete fail. My bad for wasting your time, you guys. But thank you for watching my video and supporting me. All right. Well, if y'all found the video entertaining, hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.